Good morning everyone. Let's start our next term syllabus, and in that there is unit number 6, that is win over loneliness and depression. So first of all, I'm going to start with the brainstorming questions. So first question is, can a person be alone in a crowd? There are options: yes, no, don't know. Yes, a person can be alone in a crowd. Second, does loneliness affect peace and happiness? Yes, of course. If one person is totally disturbed, definitely it will affect his or her peace and happiness. The fifth one is, according to the book, is loneliness good for health? No, not at all. Next, do you enjoy being with friends? That is up to you. You can write, you can choose yes, no or don't know. Next one is loneliness and solitude the same? No, both are not same. That you will learn in the chapter. Both are different. Next, can we utilize solitude somehow? Yes, solitude is very useful sometimes. Then next one is 2-3 more questions are there in brainstorming session. Please do it. Next, we'll start with the loneliness. What is loneliness? So internal question can also be asked, what is loneliness? It is the feeling of isolation or lack of companionship, or when you feel that you don't want anything around you. That is not only physical aspect, it is a mental aspect also. That is like if you are surrounded by the people and your mind setup is somewhere else, you are thinking about something else, then it means you are not in that crowd. You are alone. You are thinking about your problems. So that is the loneliness. Next, in this state, in loneliness state, the person that is usually thinking about that I am unwanted in the society, in family also. So you have to, if a person is suffering from this, the person must overcome this within the time. Otherwise, there are several side effects. It has various effects on the health also. The question can also be asked from this. It is given in the exercise that how is loneliness related to health? Yes, it is related to our health. How? Because of loneliness, we may suffer from high blood pressure, and it also shortens lifespan, means our life period. It decreases our life period. Research has made by the psychologist over the 3 million people, and these results are got. Lifespan is decreased and high blood pressure is there. Then next one is psychologist also done experiment on the successful businessman, how they got success, and the result behind that was only the one thing, that is positive thinking. If you have positive thinking, then you can succeed in your life. That is the result of positive thinking. Next one is how to deal with loneliness. There are steps in the book on page number 30, how you can deal with the loneliness. The first point is that you must have the thought in your mind that I am not alone. I am surrounded by the people who can understand me, who can guide me, who can appreciate me. For example, your family members, they can give you a good guidance. Teachers are there, your friends are there. So don't think when a person is in this state, that person must not think about this like I'm alone in the world. Next thing is that a person must join some clubs. For example, sport club, then exhibition, arts club. Like this, a person should join some activities so that the mind is involved in these activities and you can overcome the loneliness. Next thing is how loneliness is different from, there are two words, loneliness and solitude. There is question in the exercise also, how both are different. Now how both are different? This is the state in which a person is sad and alone. He don't want to talk with anyone. But solitude is a state in which a person is happy, but the person wants time for himself. He wants to do something alone. That in this state a person is happy and alone. He want to give time to himself only. Okay, so this is the difference between loneliness and happiness. And this one, loneliness and solitude. This solitude is helpful. Now how it is helpful? If you are giving time to you only, then you will practice of writing, reading and in other some useful activities. It means you can utilize the solitude somehow. Next one is, let's make it our habit to think about the welfare of other peoples. Instead of thinking our problems, our loneliness, we should think about others and fulfill the needs of others. Whoever is in need, help others so that you can enjoy the beauty of life. This is about the loneliness and solitude. Next one is story time. Now what is in the story? A teacher began the class and he was holding a glass full of water and asked the question from the student. What is the weight of that glass? One student said it is 50 gram, another said 100, the third one said 150, like this. Answers were coming. Then the teacher was asked another question. If I would hold this glass for a minute or for a few minutes, then what would happen? Student said, no, nothing will happen. Then again teacher asked. Then teacher said, okay. Then next again another question is there. If I would hold this glass for few hours, then what will happen? Then students replied, you may suffer from arm ache. Your arm will start paining. Then he said, okay. Then third question came. If I would hold that glass for a day, then what will happen? Then students, they replied that definitely you will go to hospital because you may suffer from the great muscle pain, you may suffer from the paralysis also. So definitely you will go to hospital. Then the teacher replied, he said that, now if I want to overcome this pain by holding the glass, what should I do? What should I do? Then students replied, just put it down. Put it down. That is the story. Put them down. Then afterwards, teacher that compare glass of water, this glass of water with the problems. If you hold your problem for a few minutes, then nothing is going to happen. But if you will hold your problems for the longer time, you may suffer from various kinds of health issues, various kinds of problems in the life. So the moral of this story is, when you go to bed, before that, put all the problems and worries down. Leave all the problems before go to bed. Okay, go to sleep, leave all the problems. It is important to think about the problems, but we should not hold those problems for longer time. Otherwise, it will create problems. And next thing is, if you will make this habit before going to bed, you are leaving all the problems, then you can cover up, you can handle any issue or any problem in your life. So on page number 33, 3 questions are there. Solve, this is from the chapter only, and 2 quotations are given. Write your views on that. Thank you.